How to play games in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and play different games. First of all, open the application. Now here, as you can see, I'm in my home page. So here on the top, there are different options available. So here, swipe and simply tap on game. So this is the game section. Here you'll be able to find different games that are available. So here there are different games that you can play and even see the live stream of. So here you can browse through it and simply select the one that you want to watch for. So here these are the streamers of this game. Now you can simply tap on them and start streaming or watching the live. Here you can even add different comments and later gain different knowledge about the game too. So it's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.